Okay, so this is the last of the test review videos. So use the graph above to answer the following graphs. I didn't say that very well. But anyway, use the graphs above to answer the following questions, all right? So what is the shape? Well, if I were to fit a curve to this, it looks something like that. So it looks like it's been stretched, all right? And it looks like someone grabbed it and stretched it to the left. So this is going to be 37 would be skewed left. This has been stretched to the left. Which measure of spread and center is more appropriate? All right. When things, first off, what are measures of spread? Well, we have standard deviation, we have variance, we have IQR, and we have range, etc. But when we have skewed data, IQR is the best measure of spread. And measure of center, because it's skewed, whenever it's skewed, the median is better than the mean. We like the mean for symmetric data. We like standard deviation for symmetric data. But when it's skewed, we like the IQR and the median. Where does the median lie relative to the mean? Where does the mean lie relative to the median? Well, if it's skewed left, then the mean is to the left of the median. Mean is left of the median. All right. The next one. What is the shape? When I look at this shape, I kind of fit a curve to it. It's like, oh, this looks like symmetric and mound shape. All right, symmetric and mound shape. So which measure of spread and center is appropriate? And the answer is all of them. All of them are appropriate. We might prefer one to the other for different reasons, but all of them are appropriate for symmetric and mound shape. Where does the mean lie relative to the median? And the mean equals the median. Why? The mean equals the median. They're going to be the same because it's symmetric. Because it's symmetric, they're going to be the same. Up here, the mean was to the left because it was skewed left. Here, they're symmetric. So they're going to be equal. All right. Use the graph. Okay, so what is the shape? Well, when I look at this one, it looks like I have an outlier up here, but it looks like this has been stretched to the right. And since it's been stretched to the right, this is going to be skewed right. Stretched to the right, skewed right. Because it's skewed and because it has outliers, or because it has outliers, whenever you have outliers, you like IQR. So my preferred measure of spread is IQR. And because it's been, and because it is skewed, I would prefer the median for my measure of center as opposed to the mean. Because it's skewed, I prefer the median as opposed to the mean. And then the next thing is, where does the mean lie relative to the median? Well, this is skewed to the right, so it's been stretched to the right. So the average has been stretched up. So the mean is the right of the median, is to the right of the median. So skewed left or skewed right, which we have here, the mean is to the right of the median. Skewed left that we have up here, the mean is to the left of the median. So what's the shape? Well, I have two distinct humps. So in this case, bimodal, all right? This is close to symmetric, and so if you wanted to say bimodal and symmetric, it's reasonably symmetric. It's not exactly symmetric. The main thing to say here is that this is bimodal, all right? But it's close to bimodal and close to symmetric. I'm going to write that down. It's not exactly symmetric because this one's a little bit higher than this one. This one's a little bit higher than that one, but it's not too far off. So close to symmetric. What measure of spread is more appropriate? Since it's close to symmetric, all measures, and there's no outliers. All right, all measures, all of them are appropriate. And the next one, where does the mean lie relative to the median? All right, because it's close to symmetric, they're going to be almost the same spot. I should say the same or almost the same. I think I'm going to write that down. I don't know exactly. I don't know if it's going to be slightly above, slightly below, or at the same. So the same or almost the same. All right. And your test will be laid out in a very similar format. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps.